Today, I'll show you how to make one of my favorite childhood snacks. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN and in today's video, I'll be making rock buns, Nigerian rock buns. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to this video to the very end and also like this video so others can see it. And these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have all-purpose flour, liquid milk, water, granulated sugar, baking powder. I have fresh eggs, melted butter, salt, and cinnamon powder. You can either use cinnamon powder or use nutmeg. So when working with flour, the first thing to do is to sieve it. After sieving your flour, make a well in the middle and go in with all your dry ingredients. I added sugar, I add my baking powder, nutmeg and salt, and mix this properly. I'll go in with my fresh eggs and melted butter. It's either you use your liquid milk or water. So I'll mix this up together. After mixing this, I will go ahead and start adding my milk. When adding milk, it's important to add it bit by bit because some flour take a lot of water while others take small. So don't add all your liquid at once, add it bit by bit, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, recreate this recipe and comment. I want to hear from you. Thank you guys to all my returning subscribers. Thank you, I see you all. The ingredient list and the measurements will be on the description box, so please kindly check it out, guys. So I'm done mixing my dough. It's a soft dough. Ensure when mixing it is completely dry. It should be elastic kind of dough, soft and elastic. Cover it up and allow it to rest. In a clean pot, I heat up my oil. Rub some oil on your palm, vegetable oil, and add a little dough first to the oil. Once the dough has gone up, it means the oil is ready. Then go ahead and cut your rock buns batter or dough, put in the oil and fry. When frying your rock buns, it's important to fry it on medium to low heat. Don't use very hot oil or let the fire be too hot because it will be brown outside but the inside will be uncooked. So it's important to fry it on medium to low heat. And when frying your rock buns, ensure that you keep stirring it. Don't just leave it like that, just keep turning it till the buns is completely done, so that you'll be able to have uniform golden color like what I have here, guys. And this batch is ready. This batch is ready and I'm removing it, guys. Can see how crunchy it's looking. So if you don't want to use your hand, frying the second batch now, you can get a ladle kind of spoon. I'm using ice cream spoon here and scoop your butter and fry, guys. This method will make the rock buns to look a bit smoother than using hand. But what is rock buns without looking rough, guys? So any method you like, either your hand or you use a spoon, you are good to go. So we are frying our second batch and it's almost ready, guys. Look at that crunchiness, look at that beauty. This is so crunchy. Thank you, guys. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, subscribe and join the family. And also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And to my amazing subscribers, I want to say thank you for always stopping by. I would like you to try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. If you are starting a buns business, you can substitute the milk for water. That was why I showed the 2 ingredients while presenting my ingredient list. And we are done frying. Look at that, crunchy and delicious. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.